In order to meet the 3 to 5 minutes video requirement for the hackathon, I have deployed the other templates. All other templates can be deployed just like the Rust Actics book app we deployed earlier, and they are all running perfectly. Since we have seen what the client side with Vue looks like, let's take a look at what the Nux server-side generated books app looks like. For this example, I will use the Expressor project with the Nux frontend and MongoDB database. So just like our Actix Rust server, we have the API, which is our Expressor server. We have the Mongo, which is our MongoDB database, and we have the app, which is our Nux client side. So if we check the API deployment logs, we can see that Expressor is running in development mode and it's connected to the MongoDB database books. If we still check the Nux development server, the deployment logs, we can see that Nux is running in development and it's ready to go. So let's test this out. If I click this, we can see Expressor Books app. This is running perfectly. And if we go to the Nux section, we click, we can see that our Nux Books app frontend is ready for us to tinker with. So let me create a new book, my Nux Books app. This is a very nice and easy to read book. Add book, and the book is successfully added. We can view a book, we can edit a book, we can say very easy to read, also very cheap. I can update a book, and now we see also very cheap. Just like every other regular book app, I can also delete a book. But I will not be paying much attention to how the book app works, because that is not the main purpose of this template pack. The main purpose of this template pack is to make sure you have a boilerplate to use and start up your project. If you're using either Vue or Nux for frontend, or Actix, Rust Actix, Golang, Fiber, Meilisearch Cloud, Deno Oak, or Expressor.js. Even if your project is not directly using these stacks, you will get a good insight on how your desired framework that is using a related programming language should be configured on Bunnyshell. Now, the last but not the least is the Meilisearch Cloud project.